So we learned in last class very simple one we learned, that is called as number one. We are aware of it how to create database connection, and we are aware of it how to create scheduler connection. Then that is to our one-time activities. Now we went for creating BAP data model. Then next we went for creating BAP
data set.
report using BAP data model. This is what we did. Now we need to understand. Now we need to understand in the data model itself 3 points. Number one, how to customize the SQL query. We have some SQL query, right? That one I want to customize SQL query. Customize SQL. For example, I want to concatenate first name. I want to concatenate. In between I want one space also. In between I want one space. Then I want to concatenate with what? Last name. That's what the one customization I want to do it. Then I want to create parameter. Then I want to create list of values. If we compare this parameter and list of values, these two things together will serve as a prompt. Of the OBIEE prompt behavior, however it is available. That kind of behavior we are going to get it by taking help of the parameters and list of values. Okay, these are the three things what we are going to learn about related to this on top of this report. Now let us go and try to open this data model whatever we created. Then first we'll try to finish this customization. Okay, for that I am going to here, then go to the catalog. Then we are opening this data model. Then whatever we have the HR data model, this is the one what we have it. There is option called as edit the selected data set. Now what do you want here? Whatever we have the first name, I am removing this as first name, I am removing it. Then providing a concatenation, then single quote space single quote, again concatenation. Then we are trying to provide a last name, and this last name I am trying to rename as a full name. I am renaming as a full name. Then click on here, okay. That's what the one customization we completed. Second, I have to create here, what is this? Parameter. It is asking to create one new parameter. The area is currently, what is this? Empty. Click on the plus symbol. Now it is asking a new parameter name as, let us say, parameter. I want to pass on the department name. I want to pass it. Parameter I want to pass on the department name. And let us say data type of that one is string only. And default value if you want to pass here, let us say sales is the default value. And parameter type is equal to menu or test is available. Time being, let us go with the test. Then save it. We created now one parameter. This parameter I want to call inside this HR data set. How I can call it? If I select that one, edit. Here I can write here and what is the parameter we created on the department name we created. So let us take here department name column. That parameter you have to call it. We have to call the parameter in, I am providing it. Then colon, what is the name of the parameter? P, D name is the parameter name. So this is the syntax what you have to provide it. This is called as bind variable syntax. Let us click on here OK. Now let us go and try to save this one. Now I want to open our report. I want to open our report. I want to open. Let me open the report. Now did you notice that not in the top what are seeing? Sales, we are seeing it. By default value what we given? Sales. That's what sales we are seeing. For example, I am typing here marketing. Okay, click on apply. Now what are seeing? Marketing corresponding data, we are seeing it. Here error occurred. Why it is error occurred? Maybe first name, last name we dragged into the table. But that first name, last name is no more. We have what? Full name in that place. That's what is throwing here error. So we have to change this layout then. How to change it? Edit the report, then edit, then whatever we have here, what it is saying, first name and last name, following fields no longer exist in the data model, choose new fields in that place. Okay, now we want to choose whatever you wanted, you can choose here. Let us say full name, and this also what? Full name. 2 times full name, why you have to select it, right? So we have to remove one of the thing, but here I don't have an option to remove it. Do we have any option to remove it? No. Here I don't have option to remove it. Then click on what? Okay. Now at least now we are able to see the it's not selecting the column. I deleted what? First name and last name I deleted. Next we have to drag and drop what? Full name we have to drag and drop. But full name is writing no data. Maybe sample data you didn't save it. You didn't save what? Sample data. That's what is not writing any data. We taken the sample data when before we customized we taken that one. Now okay, no problem. If you go and try to see the report output directly, then you are able to see the data, because you know whenever you are seeing the data, it's executing or not. Why over there we got the blank? Because in our sample data I don't have the full name column. I have first name and last name. Okay. Now if I type here, let's say marketing, but here I did one mistake. What is the mistake? I written double T I written. Okay. Now because I don't know the spelling of marketing, I written like that. There is a possibility customer also may not be knowing about it. So you need to provide here text box. If you provide like this, it is very difficult to type here one by one. Instead of that one, if you provide here one drop down to me, then my customer will be easily understand that, right? So how to provide here drop down? That's where you have to take the help of the list of values. List of values. So to get the list of values, again open here your data model. We are trying to open the data model. There is an option called as list of values. Click on the plus symbol. Then we are saying as this is dname LOVs, and type is equal to, we have here SQL query, and data source is equal to, we have to go for demo we are using, right? Then demo. Then the bottom this side we have actually demo query builder option is available, but it is not visible, right? Use the tab from the keyboard. Use tab from the keyboard. We are seeing the query builder. Then take the column called as dname column from the HR departments, department name. Then see the SQL results. If you want, you can see the results. Then save it. We are able to see that one. Now we created the list of values and we created the parameter. How to map these two things? Somewhere we have to link it, right? Where are we going to map it? Select the parameter here. Previously we selected parameter type is equal to what? Test. Now You select here in place of the test. What is this? Menu. The moment you select your menu, in the bottom what is showing? Whatever list of values you created, that list of values is showing here. So now you select whatever list of values you wanted. That's it. Now you map this list of values to this parameter. You map this list of values to this parameter. Now we want multiple selections you want or not? We want it. That is the reason I given wanted in the SQL query in parameter I give, in operator I used. So I want the multiple selections. Can select all. Yes, we can select all. If you select all, what do you want to pass? Null value or all values? All values I want to pass it. That we are deciding it. Now, okay, we are trying to save here. Okay, if you want to create the sample data once again, view data, view, then you can go and you can save as sample data, so that now you'll get the full name also, you are going to get it. Now, go and try to open our data report. Let us say open our report, we are trying to open. Now earlier we are seeing a text box. Now we are seeing what? Drop down. If you go to the drop down, we have the option to select whatever you wanted. I want the sales as well as marketing. Two things I wanted, sales as well as marketing. Click on here, apply. Now we can observe we are able to see marketing as well as sales. We are able to see here. In the marketing and sales, everyone is getting the more than 5,000 rupees salary. Very good. Okay. Now we are selecting, let us say all, apply. Then we are going to get here all the data. Which department it is? Administration department getting what? 4,400. Suppose if I select here administration, marketing and sales I am selecting, then click on apply. Now we have here some of the records which are available. What is this? Under the poverty line. Under the poverty line. So what we learned here, 3 points we learned it. What are the 3 points? Now we know how to customize the SQL query. Now we know how to create the parameters and we know how to create the list of values. This is what we learned here. Am I clear? If you want second parameter, you can create it. Second list of values also you can create it. Similar process. Second parameter and second list of values. If you want to create, you can create it. Any questions online, folks, on this? Are we good with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.